Hi, I'm Mark McConnell at Mississippi State University. I want to talk to you about the Feral Pig Damage app that was developed by myself and Dr. Bronson Strickland. The goal of this app is simply to provide natural resource professionals and private landowners with a way to accurately quantify both the damage, the extent of the damage, and the economic impact of feral hog damage as soon as they encounter it, so we can categorize that information and hopefully use it to allocate resources better across the landscape. I want to reiterate, as it says in the disclaimer here, that information about private property is not going to be made available to the public in any form. This is strictly a research tool. So to start this app, you open it, you can download it off the Apple or Google Play Store, and the first thing you want to do is create a profile. All we really need here is a name and an email address, but most importantly, what we're interested in here is if you're a farmer, if you're a homeowner, if you're a hunter, natural resource biologist, a category there where we can kind of categorize which different demographics are actually encountering most of the damage. Once you've got that, it's real simple. We're going to start a damage report. And on the Android version, which I'm going to show you here, the first thing it does is it takes you to your map, and it has your location there in blue. And what you do is you navigate to where maybe you've seen some feral hog damage, and we want you to actually draw that damage on the app. So if you hit the information button here, it tells you how the couple different ways you can draw it. You can drop a point, or you can draw a polygon, and then when you're drawing that polygon, you can draw it with your finger. You can drop different points to make a polygon, but this help feature here is here to help you learn how to do it. But I'm going to show you. So let's say I've identified some hog damage. I'm going to click the polygon and I want to draw it. And all I'm going to do is take my finger and start drawing the damage. And it's going to close that polygon for me. If I don't like that one and I want to delete it, I can switch to the vertices option and I can just drop a few points. It's going to close that polygon for me. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit this check button at the bottom. It's going to calculate the area for me, and then I'm going to say I'm done, and it's going to take me to the next step. So this is where we want to pick the type of crop damage, the type of damage we've got, whether it's crops or trees. Just mostly it's going to be crops, and then you've got a couple of drop-down options. The different type of crop, rice, cotton, corn. Let's pick corn. The different growth stage. This is so we can determine where most of the damage is occurring. So let's say it's growing. And then this is the key spot where the user can put in the actual amount of economic damage they anticipate that's going to cost. If you want to drop some notes in there, you can. We recommend anything you want to add. And then the really cool feature is we'd like you to document this damage, where you can access your camera, take a picture if you want, or go to a picture you already got taken of the damage, hit OK, and now we're done. We've got the lat long, we've got the number of acres, we've got the economic damage. We just hit submit, and then we're done. That's really all there is to it. We hope you like it. We try to make it as user-friendly as possible, and it's here for anyone to download for free from the Apple or Google Play Store. And we look forward to collecting some data on this and providing some reports to the general public. Thank you.